Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. Major indices closed the day mixed after the Fed voted to keep interest rates paused for January. The S&P briefly tapped 7,000 for the first time before pulling back and closing the day flat alongside the Dow. The Nasdaq gained 0.33%. The Russell was the lone laggard, down 0.5%. Investors were bracing for the first round of Mag 7 earnings after the close. Microsoft kicked off the round of reports with a top and bottom line beat, with $32.9 billion in Azure cloud revenue coming in flat. Shares plunged on the numbers despite the 39% year-over-year revenue increase. Microsoft CEO believes the company's AI position stays strong, saying, quote, "We are only at the beginning phases of AI diffusion, and already Microsoft has built an AI business that is larger than some of our biggest franchises." Shares of Meta Platforms moved higher on its earnings beat. Quarterly revenue came in just under $60 billion, with current quarter guidance calling for a midpoint of $55 billion, above Wall Street's $51.3 billion expectations. The social media giant also sees $115 to $135 billion in CapEx spending for 2026 as it expands its AI infrastructure. And Tesla rallied on its earnings beat and promises for tech acceleration. The EV giant says it plans to further invest in its autonomous robots, Cybercab, Megapack 3, and clean energy infrastructure in 2026. Tesla also announced plans to invest $2 billion into xAI. We'll have more on these earnings throughout our coverage Thursday on Schwab Network. Apple will lead the earnings conversation tomorrow. You can watch Market on Close live on Schwab Network for extended coverage until 5 p.m. Eastern. That's going to do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.